Hello, and thank you for agreeing to be a group leader. It should be a good week, and I'll show you what you need to do. So the first couple of things you need to do are first post the threads on the discussion board. So first you go to the module or the lesson that we're doing. So let's do week 6. So you'll see here all of the various things that you need to do, and all you need to do is click here on group discussion. And on this group discussion, this has all of the groups because I'm the teacher, but click whatever group shows up. And all you need to do is copy the thread or the question prompt, and then just click on reply, and then paste. And that will paste the question. If you want to get rid of the number, you just highlight it and then click on this numbered thing and it gets rid of it. And then you scroll down a little farther and put post reply. And then everyone will respond to all of these. Now I've set up lesson 5 just so you can kind of see what it looks like. So we're going to go back to the prompt again, or the first page of the course. We'll go down here to lesson 5. So we scroll down, and in lesson 5 you can see we have the groups here. Oops, we have the groups listed here of all the groups, who's in your group, who's the group leader. We have group directions, so everybody knows what they're responsible for, and then your group leader instructions. After this video, it'll have a tutorial that you can watch that shows you what you need to do. So you'll go in here into your group discussion, and I already have the thread set up in 5. And so you'll go down here and you'll see, all right, there are the three prompts. Now each one has a little thumbs up. So just like in Facebook, people after they reply, they'll be able to be like, people can go back and they can reply and make their responses. And if they think an essay especially is very, very good, they can thumb up it. And it's like, oh, 1 like. So at the end of the week on Friday night or Saturday morning, you can go through and see which essay has the most likes. You then take that essay and you can either repost it or you can post a thread that says, hey guys, these are the essays that have won, or these are the essays that are most chosen. We need to edit these. And ask your group to help edit them. And they can reply to those chosen essays, and then they can pick which one is the very best. So you have these 3 essays at the end of the week, Saturday morning, that are the best. They've been chosen, they're edited, they're polished, they look awesome. All you have to do is go back to the modules. Here in module, well, whatever week we're in. And sorry, and then we'll go down here to 5. So we'll say, okay, we have you've participated in the group discussion, you have the chosen most edited essays, then you come over here to the week 5 discussion, or whatever week we're in, the discussion submission, and you just have to upload your essay. So the essay will have the 3 most polished chosen essays for your group, and then you'll submit them for your group, and then I'll grade them, and then the whole group will get that grade. And that's all you have to do. So if you have any questions, please let me know and we will get you taken care of. Thanks.